Hey everyone and welcome. Stop the boats, they said. We paid to stop the boats, they said. So the boats will stop, they said.
And I do believe that we have rotten politics, and I'm not using that as an exaggeration.
Well, it seems that the French, I know this is going to shock you, are actually trying to do something about it. This is them apparently trying to stop a migrant boat, and of course our media, slimy news themselves, have gone into immediate pearl clutching mode with this comment. Video appears to show authorities circled migrant dinghy, causing waves to flood it. Shock horror. Isn't that what we pay them to do? Isn't it, everyone? Isn't that what we pay them millions to do? Isn't it? Isn't it? Yet Sky are shocked that they're doing the job. Let's have a listen, look at the video, shall we? Now, did that look like the French were trying to swamp the boat, or did it look like they were trying to stop the boat? You know, the thing that we're supposed to be actively doing. You know, the thing that we're supposed to be paying them to do. So I actually applaud them on this occasion, one occasion. But I'd also like to say the people at Sky News that put this together obviously live in very, very sheltered areas, don't they? They don't have to deal with the outcomes of having so many illegals on our shores and so many migrants on our shores. Just look at the crime figures to understand what I'm talking about. So I would like to find out who every single one of them were at Sly News, and I would like to make sure this boat, if it made it, everybody on board camps in their front garden, whether they like it or not. Let's see how they like it on the doorstep. We've seen in Martha's Vineyard in America what happens when the rich get confronted with their own virtue. It immediately falls asunder, and they want to remove every single one of them. How long did it take Martha's Vineyard? 30 minutes to get rid of them all? So I'd like to see them have to do that, to expose themselves as the virtue signalling wazzicks that they actually are, that have no intention of ever having to live with any of the consequences of mass migration, but will laud it just the same. Well done, French, for this one occasion. More of the same, or we should stop all communication with you. Stop the money, stop the fishing licenses, stop buying soft cheeses, wine, champagne, and all of the other goods that we buy from France. We should boycott France until they do, not give them money like we are doing. What say you? Let me know what you think. Stay sane. I'll see you on the next one.